Okay, good day guys, welcome back. Now to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like and share. So yesterday we talked about having a bullish move on AUD USD for today, which is 11th, and the AUD actually gave us the movement. Actually, we had about 46 pips. Basically, same movements, similar movements with Euro USD. One of the reasons why we're having this, 20 to 40 pips this week is that there is a major news that will be coming out tomorrow, which is the CPI. All traders are all waiting for the CPI. This is one of the reasons why there is not much movement currently. I think this started about Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Basically, this USD, no much movement. A lot of traders have just decided to actually stay out of this because they want to get the news before they know how to go ahead and trade. So this is exactly what we will also be watching out for. Let's see what the news will tell us. We just don't really know what is really going to come out, right? But once the news come out, then we would know the direction movements on this AUD. But I think the news will come out positive also, thereby AUD will be dropping. So I'm not trying to say AUD will actually drop, but I think it will drop. That is what I'm watching out for personally. So if in case the AUD USD continue to give us that bullish move, then fine, we'll go ahead and take that trade. But let's see it this way. One thing I think before that drop will happen is that AUD should actually give us about 50 pips bullish move before it actually drop. Reason is that if you take a look at it technically on the trade, you can see that this is an uptrend move and higher highs and higher lows is what's playing out here, coupled with the fact that the price is still trading above this 10 period simple moving average. If price can drop and it breaks below this 10 period simple moving average and price is trading below it, maybe then we can go ahead to sell. But since it is still trading, we can still see this as a bullish move when you now go to the 4 hour time frame. So I believe this to be like a breakout and yet to be considered a pullback. So let's see if this AUD USD will give us something like this impulse move, a correction here. Now a new highs, I'll take out this previous highs. Thereby price will come, it's this, we like call it resistance level or this highs, which will be giving us about 50 pips, like I just talked about, about 45 pips. This will give us if price should go bullish, should take out this size. So by that time, when the news comes out, and if it comes out well, then you would see AUD drop against the USD. But if it does not come out well, we would see AUD break, give us that bullish move, thereby breaking a new highs. A new highs will be formed. But I think the news will come out well. So I would be watching out for a drop on AUD USD. So that is what I think we should actually see. And you can also see the 1 hour time frame. Price is quite giving us an uptrend move on the 4 hour time frame. So let's continue to move that way. See the news is being released. Then we can now find a rejection at this level where price will drop for the day.